You ever notice how two people can live in the same city, make similar money, have the same rent, same bills, but one always seems calm about money and the other is stressed every single month? Like, one person checks their bank app and shrugs. The other checks and instantly feels their stomach drop. Same paycheck, same lifestyle, totally different outcomes. Here's the thing. It's not about income. Because if more money actually fixed money problems, then people making six figures wouldn't be drowning in debt. But they are. According to the Federal Reserve, over 37% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing or selling something. And here's what's wild. A huge chunk of those people earn above average income. So look, money doesn't fix behavior. It amplifies it. And if your habits are chaotic, more money just makes the chaos louder.
My name is John, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, habits, and financial psychology. If you're someone who works hard but still feels like money disappears faster than it comes in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, I'm breaking down 10 minimalist rules that don't just save money, they reprogram how you think about it. This is where it gets really interesting. Minimalism isn't about having less, it's about removing what quietly drains you so what remains can finally grow. Rule number 1. Eliminate toxic debt first.
Here's what most people don't realize. If you're paying 22% interest on a credit card while investing and hoping for 10% returns, you're losing money every single year. Let's do simple math. $5,000 on a card at 22% equals $1,100 a year in interest. That's money you work for that disappears. No investment beats a guaranteed 22% loss. Freedom starts when you cut expensive debt.
Rule number 2. Own your mornings. Look, if your day starts with scrolling, chaos, and panic, your brain stays in survival mode. And survival brains overspend. Minimalists design calm mornings. No phone, no noise, clear priorities. Wealth grows in clarity, not chaos.
Rule number 3. Delay every purchase. Impulse is the enemy of wealth. So here's the rule. When you want something, write it down and wait. Most desires fade within 72 hours. Amazon wish lists save people thousands for this exact reason. If it still matters later, then decide.
Rule number 4. Simplify your money system. Too many cards, too many accounts, no clear picture. Minimalists use one checking, one savings, one card paid monthly. Automation beats discipline every time. Rule number 5. Choose only 3 financial priorities per year. More goals, less progress. Pick 3. Align everything else around them. Distractions are expensive.
Rule number 6. Build a functional wardrobe. Decision fatigue is real. The more choices you remove, the more energy you save for money decisions. Quality beats quantity, always.
Rule number 7. Cut empty social spending. Energy is currency. Every yes costs time, money, and focus. Fewer, deeper connections equals less spending, more peace. Rule number 8. Schedule your money time. If it's not on your calendar, it doesn't exist. Wealth grows when it's planned.
Rule number 9. Protect your energy. A tired brain overspends. A rested brain plans. Sleep is a financial strategy.
Rule number 10. Review your life every 6 months. Minimalism isn't once, it's maintenance. Every 6 months. What's draining you? Cut it.
refocus.
Now, you might be thinking, this sounds simple. Yeah, it is. But simple doesn't mean easy. Pick 3 rules from this list and start today. Less noise, less waste, more money, more freedom. If this helped you see money differently, smash that like and hit subscribe. Your future self will thank you.